The Honor Win and Win RT have been announced in China. The gaming-focused phones come with the latest flagship Snapdragon chipsets, an active cooling fan, up to 185 Hz refresh rate, and massive 10,000 mAh batteries. The Honor Win is equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 SoC, which is coupled with the Adreno 830 GPU. Meanwhile, the Win RT gets the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. The phones get up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X Ultra RAM and 1 TB of UFS 4.1 internal storage. Both handsets come with a 6.83-inch OLED display with a refresh rate of 185 Hz, up to 6000 nit peak brightness, full HD Plus resolution, HDR10 Plus support, and 5920 Hz high-frequency PWM dimming. The phones also get an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. At the back, the Honor Win gets a triple rear camera setup with a primary 50-megapixel 1.156-inch sensor with OIS, a 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide unit. The Honor Win RT misses out on the telephoto camera. Both phones sport a 50-megapixel front-facing camera. The rear camera module on both devices features an active cooling fan, which gets a 25,000 RPM mode and is claimed to significantly improve cooling. Honor has included a massive 10,000 mAh silicon carbon battery on both models, with support for 100-watt wired charging. The Honor Win also gets 80-watt wireless charging support. The smartphones run Android 16-based Magic OS 10 and offer an IP68/IP69/IP69K dust and water resistance rating. Other specs include Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, infrared sensor, stereo speakers, Honor AI surround subwoofer, NFC, and 5G connectivity with dual SIM. The Honor Win is available in a 12GB 256GB model that costs $570, a 12GB 512GB option that's priced at $640, a 16GB 512GB option with a price tag of $680, and a 16GB 1TB model priced at $755. It is sold in black, white, and blue color options. On the other hand, the Honor Win RT starts at Chinese yuan 2,699 or $385 for the 12GB 256GB option. It's also available in a 16GB 256GB model that's priced at Chinese yuan 2,999 or $425, a 12GB 512GB option that costs $440, a 16GB 512GB variant priced at $485, and a 16GB 1TB model that'll cost you $570. It is also available in the same colors as the Honor Win. The phones are available for purchase in China, and we already have a hands-on with the Honor Win for you to check out.